Welcome to 2201 Pershing's 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom plus den T floor plan. This floor plan offers 1,398 square feet of living space. Immediately upon entering the apartment, we notice the bamboo hardwood flooring. This will continue throughout the apartment and all the main living spaces. Immediately to the right, we have our washer and dryer. Continuing into the home, to the left, we find the hall closet. On this side, we have the guest bathroom, 7 feet of white subway tile all around the shower, dual flush toilet, large vanity, large mirror, and medicine cabinet. Coming into the secondary bedroom, we see a Juliet balcony. This large bedroom is 14 by 11 square feet. Plenty of room for a king or queen size bed. Coming back towards the main part of the house, we have a walk-in closet. We also have a secondary closet. Coming back towards the entrance, we make a left to the living room and kitchen area. The kitchen has full-size stainless steel appliances, gray soft stone quartz countertops, and this awesome island. The living room is 26 by 13.5 square feet. This apartment also has a balcony off of the main living space. Coming towards these giant windows, to the left we have the den, which is 10 by 9 square feet. We have another Juliet balcony off of this great space, perfect for an office. Coming back across the kitchen, we come to the primary bedroom. This is 11 by 13 square feet, also big enough for a king or queen size bed. We do have a second balcony off of this bedroom. This bedroom also has a very large walk-in closet. Plenty of room for all your storage and clothing. And we also have the primary bathroom. Once again, 7 feet of white subway tile all the way around the shower and bathtub, dual flush toilet to conserve water, a large vanity mirror, and the medicine cabinet. This concludes the tour of 2201 Pershing's 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom plus den.